Do you want to unlock your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra with your fingerprint without backing up the screen first? Your phone includes a fingerprint always on feature that lets you scan your fingerprint even when the screen is off. Let me show you how. First, open Setting. Scroll down and tap Lock Screen and AOD. Tap Screen Lock and Biometric. Enter your current screen lock. Under the biometric section, tap Fingerprint. Find Fingerprint always on. And then turn this feature on or off. For this example, let's turn it on. Now, lock the phone so the screen is completely off. Then simply place your registered finger on the fingerprint sensor. As you can see, the phone unlocked without needing to wake up the screen first. This can make unlocking your phone feel faster and more convenient. However, if you prefer to wake the screen before using the fingerprint sensor, you can return to the setting and then turn the option off. Important note, the fingerprint always on option is only available when fingerprint unlock is enabled. So if fingerprint unlocking is turned off, this feature will be unavailable. And that's how you unlock your phone with your fingerprint while the screen is off on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.